Hey guys, welcome back to Funtivity 2. Today we have a special guest, my mom. Woo-hoo.
And today we're going to teach you
How to make a rainbow in a glass. And now,
Let's have a look.
at the things we're going to be needing for this fun experiment. We're going to be needing a beaker, 4 glasses, some sugar,
Some food coloring, water, a tablespoon, and something to stir it with.
Let's do this! Now, I'm going to pour 1.5 tablespoons of water in each of these 4 cups.
Let me pick it up for you.
Thank you. I have taken warm water.
Pour a little fast because then it doesn't spill. So when you're pouring it into the glass, do it faster.
I've taken warm water so the sugar will dissolve quickly. Now, step 2. We're going to be adding 3 drops of food coloring. Mom, can you please add the red and yellow in
Okay.
these 2?
Okay.
While I'll be doing green and blue.
Oh, alright.
Three drops. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Colors are
That
so-
is looking
I'll add
awesome.
one more. It's looking a bit light. Let me add one more. I'm adding 4. Is it okay, man?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think green is
The
enough.
green is dark, you know, the
Yeah.
red is little lighter. So maybe for lighter colors, 1 extra drop.
Yeah. Now blue. 1, 2, 3. 4. And just
Let's give it a stir. 1 for you, 1 for me.
Sure.
So we're using chopsticks
Chopsticks?
because the glasses are narrow and
Yeah.
spoons will be difficult to use. Wow.
That is a very nice
Wow.
coat.
It's lovely. Let me remove these colors because we're done with them. Okay, over to you.
Now I'm going to interchange these colors so it becomes dark light, dark light.
Correct.
There.
Okay.
Now it is time to add sugar. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons. This is 1.
Let me bring it here for your convenience.
Mm. 2 tablespoons for this glass.
Yeah.
There you go.
One,
2,
2,
3,
3,
1,
1,
2,
3,
and
and heat forward.
4.
So you see, this one has 4 tablespoons
So
sugar, so
the
water level is high.
Please. This is the one.
Let's stir it now. You do the first 2, I'll do the last 2. Let's give it a stir.
Start making the rainbow.
Let me create some space for that.
Sure thing.
Yeah, here's the beaker.
Right. I'm going to start with the first color. That
Okay.
is the red.
Okay. So you're going to pour in the red color first. Move. Pull fast. Wow.
Okay.
Wow. Can I try?
Sure thing.
I'm a little nervous though. Okay, what I'll do is I'll take a spoon and I'll put it like this and pour the other liquid on the top so it doesn't mix in directly. Otherwise, it'll go down with force and
Okay.
and that helps me. It helps me. Moment of truth. Let's begin. Okay, little green on the top. I think there's enough green.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Yeah?
That's okay.
We'll go with, shall I start with which color? Should I go for next?
Yellow.
Yellow will look good. I'm all jitters.
Already looks
I'm all jitters, I'm all jitters. Is this gonna mix? Is it gonna stay? Oh my god. The last one.
The last color.
This one has the least density because it has only
1 tablespoon of sugar.
Okay, I'm all nervous again.
Yeah, I'm too nervous.
Yeah.
But then after seeing all this that it's worked out,
Yeah, the confidence is a little up too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can do it. What do you think?
Let's do it. Last color.
And look at that. You can see this is looking greenish because the yellow and blue
Yeah.
is optically mixing to green. But I can see 4 different layers. This is red,
green,
this is green,
yellow,
yellow, and blue, which is mixing with yellow. And yes. And if you increase the density of sugar even more, there'll be distinct layers. And if you really enjoy her videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your friends.
Bye.
Till the next time, bye bye, take care, see you again.